Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last class we start Node.js and we understand what is NPM, how to use NPM. Okay. Now today we are going to see REPL environment. What is REPL environment? So let's get started. If you are new in my YouTube channel, then subscribe it my YouTube channel for any notification. Okay, let's open it Notepad. Here we can go. I see what is REPL environment. REPL environment. REPL. Okay. R tends to read. Okay. R tends to read. E tends to evaluate. And then P tends to print. And go to capital P. Not small, capital P. So this L tends to looping. Okay. Tend to loop. Full from of REPL is the read, evaluate, print, and loop through it. How to use REPL environment? We use REPL environment in any Chrome browser, in any browser, like in any browser console window. We can wait. Yeah, below this. We can use any any where we can use REPL environment. We can use, first of all, question where we can use REPL environment. Where we can use REPL environment. Where we can use REPL environment. Can use REPL environment on any browser console window any browser console window any browser console any browser console window uh, like this. Open Chrome browser. Open it Chrome browser. Now go to press F12 or press F12. It will open console log. Or you can do like this. Right click on mouse. Inspect page source. Go to here. Just wait 1 second, bro. I can fix it here now. It will be good. Go to here is console log. Inside console log, you can write here something like this: console dot log will be equal to welcome to node.js. Welcome to node.js. Hit enter. It will be welcome to node.js. This undefined comes with because this browser don't understand what is this log. Browser only understand console, not log. That's why it will come undefined. Okay. No, this is not matter. We are using code editor. That's why in code editor we are writing console.log. Browser automatically understand terminal. But in case of you browser, in case you use console browser, this will be give you undefined because the console browser does not understand what is log function. Okay, that's why. So browser console we can use Node.js program in browser console window. Okay, or you can use like Node.js REPL environment in here also. Open command prompt cmd for your a little bit zoom it. Okay, now you can see it properly. Type node, enter. Welcome to node. This will go through. Okay, I will control exist, control C. Okay, see here you can type in. Okay, I can write it some mistake, then you can understand. Environment. We can use REPL Environment JS program. We can run JS program. We can run JS program. We can run JS program in. We can run our execute. We can execute JS program. Execute JS program in browser console window. Browser not browser console browser console window. Okay, and below this we can how to open. First, this is the first step. Second step, we can open. This is the first way you can use REPL environment. Second is where we can use open cmd, open command prompt, and type type it node. Simply type it node and then enter. Hit enter. Then hit enter. Then hit enter. Okay. Open cmd and type it node and then hit enter. Okay. Node. Okay. Let's go to here. Okay. Open it. Command prompt. Already I am opening. You see now typing node. Okay. At typing node, it will go automatically in REPL environment. How to use REPL environment? We are going to writing some program like console.log, console.log. Inside console.log, we are give it some welcome to node.js. Welcome to node.js. Welcome to node.js. Hit enter. It will be welcome to node.js. I told you, log any terminal or command log. He does not understand log. He only understand console. So that's why it gives an undefined. Okay. Let's go to write some program like console.log, like console. Okay. Okay, I can write it some console. What is this? Dude? Not check it. Yeah, it is okay. Is this okay for you? Yeah, it is okay. No, right here. Console.log bracket. Inside bracket we can put it here. We can put inside bracket we can put it. We put it here like new, not inside double quote, only single quote is done with, because I am put new date. Okay, new date. It will print current date. Okay, it will print current date like this. Oh. First to go to REPL environment, then it will print console.log. Inside new date JavaScript function. This is a JavaScript object notation, date object. We can enter right. Let's see. Today date is a 1/5/2021. Means 1 May 5th month. Okay. This time, and this is a time, current time. What time is running here? Not high. Maybe this is not okay. Again, go to Eval. Go to inside this. Go to inside it and now print to local time string below. It will simply print dot to local time string to local time string to local time string. Hit and this is a function or this is an object. Hit enter. See now time 7:21:16 7:21:16 p.m. Okay, let's just let's go to write some function like how to add subtract. Okay, let a will be equal to 10. Okay, let a will be equal to 10 comma b will be equal to comma let b will be equal to 20 comma let c will be equal to, let me say c will be equal to a plus b. Then console.log will be equal to c. We can put it console.log will be REPL. First check, hit enter. This is an error and you see here uncount syntax error unexpected. Okay, this thing. So go to here, go to here, remove this thing. Be here already done, but remove it. This comma is not required here. Go to here also. This comma is not required here. Now print console.log console.log will be equal to c. Okay, now hit enter. Then also uncount syntax unexpected identifier. Okay, why this is doing when hit enter now undefined because unexpected maybe. Okay, do one thing. First copy these two things. Okay, control C. Remove this. Hit enter. Got a has already by declared. Okay, now paste it. Now remove this. Now check it. B already declared. Okay. Clear enter. Dot clear. Yeah. Let's clear. Dot clear is a free different where you can use to clear it. Okay. Now go to here like let a will be equal to 10. A will be not like that. A will be equal to 10. Comma b will be equal. Let b will be equal to b will be equal to 20 and sum. Let sum will be equal to a plus b. Okay, enter. AI has already declared why this is not. Okay, leave it. This is not fair. Okay, so how to use REPL Environment you understand now. That's the okay concept. This is not real time, so that's why I'm not focusing that much on this. Okay, so this is a REPL's environment. How to use REPL's environment. Okay, now so let's go to some a realistic example we are going to create. Some realistic example how to use a node.js. Okay, so enough for today. We will meet on next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe it to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon notification. So if I if I am uploading any new video, it will notify you. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet on next video.